Hello traders, FS Speculator here. Today is Wednesday, July 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly dollar yen, it definitely still looks to be like a big ABC correction. Now, as you can see, this move up is very impulsive, and like I've been saying for weeks now, the yen very easily could continue to drive this up, maybe even make a new high. So let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still calling this first move down possibly a 1. I'm still calling this possibly an ABC correction. Now, if we need to at least go to the 78%, I think, and then if we get a big impulsive engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure, that's what will tell me that it really is a wave C, probably the end of a wave 2 and the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 3. Now, if we get a Fibonacci bounce, but then we do not get a break of structure and it just keeps on going up, then we'll never get that break of structure to the downside, which means I'll never start looking for shorts on shorter time frames. And if it just keeps on stretching out and eventually goes up and makes a new high, I'm looking for longs on shorter time frames anyway, so it definitely isn't going to affect my trading at all. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, 3 waves down for a B. Big uptrend right here for maybe a wave C or possibly a wave 3. It does look like we are getting ready to make maybe a little bit of a bigger correction, but I think it's still a correction, and I think the trend is still up. It's probably more likely at this point to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. So I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we've been very consolidated, very corrective, which kind of makes sense because of the big US holiday that we just had. But anyways, I think it's an A. I think we had 3 waves up, probably a B. We're probably in a wave C now, which most likely will go down to one of these lower fibs. Then if we get that big engulfing and move to the upside with a break of structure, that's what's going to show me that we have the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think it's clear that this is a downtrend for that wave A. This is probably all a big A, B, C right here, like a wave B. And I bet we're going down to at least a 50, probably most likely to 50, or maybe to 61.8 to make a wave C. Then if we get that big engulfing and move to the upside with a break of structure, that's what will tell me that the correction is over, and that's exactly what I'm looking for the entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But I definitely won't get long until I see something like this, and if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, you could definitely be looking for shorts right now until this higher time frame shows you that the ABC correction is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.